Undetectable.wtf AI is making waves in the AI space. But is it really worth the hype? In this review, I'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know before you jump in. Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you how to try this software for free and how it compares to others I've tested. First up, Undetectable.wtf AI isn't just another tool in the crowded AI space. It's designed to mask your digital identity while ensuring the content you produce remains undetectable, which is something a lot of digital marketers and content creators have been craving. If you've ever worried about how AI-generated content might impact your SEO or how it's viewed by platforms, this is a game changer. It uses cutting-edge technology to ensure that your content not only flows naturally, but stays under the radar of algorithms that might flag or penalize it. Another thing that stands out is its speed. It's blazing fast. I've tested plenty of AI tools that promise speed, but Undetectable.wtf AI actually delivers. Whether you're generating text, creating images, or automating tasks, it does it in a fraction of the time compared to others. And that's a huge bonus if you're working on tight deadlines. What I really like about it is its versatility. Whether you're into content creation, marketing, or even data analysis, this software adapts to your needs. For content creators, it allows you to create articles, blog posts, and even product descriptions in a matter of minutes, all while making sure your output is 100% unique and undetectable. If you're a marketer, this is huge, especially when you consider how much time you can save by automating your content production. Another unique feature is the customization options. It allows you to tweak the AI's behavior to match your personal style or the voice of your brand. For marketers, this can be a game changer. It's not just about spitting out generic content. You can mold it to speak directly to your audience in the way that best resonates with them. The customizability is robust enough to make the content feel more human than machine-generated. Of course, no AI tool is perfect, and Undetectable.wtf AI isn't without its flaws. One thing I noticed is that the interface could be a bit more intuitive. While it's not hard to use, it's not exactly as beginner-friendly as some other tools on the market. But the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience, especially for seasoned users who are familiar with AI tools. Another thing you should know is the pricing structure. While the software does offer a free version, the pro features come at a cost. However, if you're someone who needs to produce large-scale content or wants access to premium features, the investment could pay off quickly. If you're just starting, you can still get a lot of value from the free version. Now, here's something you definitely want to stick around for. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've rounded up my top picks, and Undetectable.wtf AI definitely makes the list. It stands out not just in terms of performance, but also because it addresses a very real need in the content world today, staying undetected while generating high-quality work. So, if you're curious about this powerful tool, check out the link in the description. You can try it for free and see for yourself how it can enhance your digital workflow. Don't forget to check out my other recommended AI tools as well. That's it for today's review. If you're ready to level up your digital content creation, give Undetectable.wtf AI a try, and make sure to explore the other tools I recommend in the description below.